Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very simple single crochet. I did a video of how to make this chain that I'll put a link in the description below for you. But this one we're going to just go over how to do a single crochet. In a pattern, a single crochet is going to be called will be an SC, single crochet. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook. If you're inserting into a chain, where you're going to go is underneath this single strand right here. There'll be two underneath your hook and one on top of your one. You'll go over two of them and underneath one of them, so you can see that spot right there. You're just going to insert your hook. You're going to yarn over. You're going to pull that through. Now you have two on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through. I'll show you that again. So here you have two strands, this strand and this strand, and then you have this strand up here. In between this kind of group of two here and this one up here is where you're going to insert your hook. Just like that. Yarn over and pull through. Now you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Okay, so that's two. So I'm going to show you again. So here we have a spot here, just like that. Insert, yarn over, pull through. Now you have two on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. All right, so there's your single crochets. I'm going to come back in a second and show you how to do a single crochet. So this is a single crochet into a chain. I'm going to come back and show you how to do a single crochet into single crochets. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have finished my whole row of single crochets here, and I've just chained and turned, and now I'm back where I can, I have a row of single crochets to work with. So these V's are each one crochet, okay, single crochet. This is what every crochet stitch looks the same from the top. It's the height that is different. So in order to make a single crochet into a single crochet stitch, here is where you're going to insert it. So there's the V, right, that our single crochet makes. And right underneath both of those strands, we're going to yarn over, pull that one through. Now you have two loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through those ones. Okay, I'm going to show you again. So here's my spot right here. Can you see that? It's underneath both those strands of the V, just like that. Yarn over, pull through. Now I have two loops on my hook, yarn over, and pull through. Okay, all right, so one tip I'm going to give you here. Do not pull your yarn very tight, okay? If you pull it very tight, you will make this. I'll show you what it looks like. If I pull my yarn really tight onto my hook, I can't really move it very well, okay? It's very tight on there. And I put my hook in, and I yarn over, and I'm keeping everything really tight, and then I yarn over. You can see the tension, and I yarn over, and I pull through. First of all, look at how much harder that is, and look at this. If I went to go put my hook into here for the next row, I would be I would have a very difficult time doing that. That is the biggest problem that I had when I was first beginning crocheting, because I would make those so tight that I would then not be able to know where to put my hook, and then my projects would come out very, very weird looking. So what you want to do is you want to keep your tension light. You don't want it floppy, but you want it so that your hook can move very easily around. So I'm going to show you the single crochet one more time. You're going to insert, yarn over, pull through. Now you have two, yarn over, and pull through, and that is a single crochet. I hope that was helpful, and you use this stitch to make all kinds of wonderful projects. Thanks for watching.